In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip image in GIMP. If you've ever needed to mirror a photo, correct an orientation, or create a symmetrical effect for a design, flipping is a quick and reliable way to do it. I'll walk you through opening your image, choosing the right tool, applying the flip, and making sure you're flipping exactly what you intend, whether that's the whole image content or just one layer. First, open your image in GIMP. Go to the top menu and choose File, then Open, and select the picture you want to work with. Give it a second to load. You'll see the image appear on your canvas, and on the right, you'll typically find the Layers panel, which shows every layer in your project. If you're working with a simple photo, you may just see a single background layer. Next, select the Flip tool. You'll find it under Tools, then Transform Tools, and then Flip. If you prefer shortcuts, press Shift+F to select it instantly. When the Flip tool is active, your cursor will change to indicate you're in transform mode. This tool is purpose-built for mirroring, so you don't need to drag or draw a box. Just have it selected, and you're ready to flip. Now, apply the flip by clicking somewhere on your image. One click performs the flip and mirrors the content across the current axis set by the tool. The exact spot you click on the canvas doesn't have to be precise. The tool applies the flip to the selected content in one go. You should see your image instantly reflect, as if you held it up to a mirror. If you don't notice a change, double-check that you clicked on the visible part of the image and that the correct content is active. If you only want to flip a specific layer instead of everything you're seeing, make sure you select that layer first in the Layers panel before you click. This is especially important in multi-layer projects where text, logos, or cut-out objects sit on separate layers. Click the layer you want to flip so it's highlighted. Then, with the Flip tool still active, click on the canvas to apply the flip. Only that chosen layer will mirror, and everything else will remain unchanged. That's all there is to it. Open your image, select the Flip tool, click to mirror, and, when needed, pick the right layer before you flip. With these simple steps, you can correct orientations or create mirrored effects quickly and cleanly in GIMP.